is awarded to for successful completion of prescribed modules and active participation in the 4-day training of trainers on agri-crops production conducted from July 16 to 19, 2024, facilitated by the East West Seed Foundation, Inc., in partnership with Villar Foundation. Given this 19th day of July 2024 at the Villar Foundation Farm School, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. This is signed by our Senator Cynthia A. Villar and our Executive Director Maria Elena P. Van Turen. Okay. At ito pong certificate ay na-award ko po kay Sir Adrian C. Aragon. Sir Angelito and De Guzman.